Yes. I guess Vedika ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Okay. अच्छा. वैदाई मैम. वैदाई मैम है. अभी वैदाई है. ओके. ओके मैम. ओके मैम. यस मैम. ओके मैम. ओके मैम. Yes ma'am. Okay ma'am. Okay. Bye ma'am.
Okay. So the chapter is, have you thought of the verb have? So the have, how frequently we are using have in a daily conversation, in a daily use, while we are communicating, while we are talking to other person, between a two people conversation happen. So how many times they use have? How many times they use have? So many frequently we are using have. We can't count it. If we sit and counting how many times we use use have, word have, so it's endless, because within a hour, in 1 hour also we are using have so many times. Can I borrow a pen? I have a new pencil. I have a new bicycle. I hadn't complete my work. I hadn't. I have. So has. Have you seen? So these things we are using very frequently in day-to-day life, and this have is a helping verb. What why we are using have? Have is a helping verb. Okay. I have a lot of book. Yes, very correct. So let's see. Have. So most used verb. So what? It's a most of the time we are using have. Most used verb. So verb in our English has got many use. Let's remember. Like we are using very frequently have day-to-day life, every day with in our with communicating verb. Has a colorful fish boat. Colorful fish boat has. The fisherman have a traditional boat. So what the two different sentences telling? Sentence one, Adam has a colorful. That person, if you see, he has a colorful boat. So what sentence we are using? Adam has colorful fishing boat. So you can see that person, what the first sentence is telling, Adam has a colorful fishing boat. So you can see the fishing boat, it's a very colorful. And what the second sentence, the fisherman have a traditional boat, means have traditional boat, that he is having the tradition, that old boat, how the peoples are making boat in earlier time. So that type of boat he is having. So we are using have and has. Let's see the what's the have and have use? So with the basic we are doing, they can both use some possession. Possession means ownership. Possession means ownership. One's ownership. That it's my pen. I have a new pen. The owner of this pen is Anita Singh. The owner of the pen. I have a laptop. I have a HP laptop. So who is the owner of HP laptop? Anita Singh. Or you have a HP laptop. He has a HP laptop. Who is the owner of that laptop? So and so person, ABC. Or we can take Adams. Adams have a HP laptop. Possession means the ownership. The important when we are using the perfect tense. Okay. Had is used in a past tense, and both has and have. Adam is a name. Adam is Adam. So and so person, instead of so and so person, I've used the name Adam. Okay. So had is used in the past tense of both instead of have and has. So let's see the have. So have using some pronoun, and where we are using plural. What do you mean by plural and what do you mean by singular? Write in a chat box. I want to. Construction means in a short form. How we are using short form? I have. So I/we. You have. You/we. So these are the short form we are using. It has. It's. So instead of writing it has, we are writing its. And he has. Instead of writing he has, what we are using? His. So these are the short form that we are using instead of I have, you have, we have. Instead of this, we are using this short form. Now we are seeing negative. How we are using negative have in a sentence. Has not, hasn't, have not, haven't, had not, hadn't. ND. What we are doing? We are using ND in the end of the. So now we will see have and has in the question form. Have you been to the Australia? Have you been to the Australia? Means he is asking a question that person A asking question to person B. Have you been to the Australia, that place? Has Andrea left yet? Means that B person left. Who has my pen? Asking that who has my pen? That B, C, D, E. The group of people and a person asking to this group of people who has my pen. Means is asking to everyone. Everyone is sitting together and is asking a question to the everyone. So now we will see have got and have. I have got an iPhone. Okay. You have got a message. You got a message. Got and have. Have got and have. How we are using have. I have got a iPhone. I have an iPhone means from this part, this is a past tense. Past tense, and this is present tense. So P is a present tense. I have a iPhone. I have an iPhone. I have got an iPhone. Past tense. Telling to other person. Okay. You have got a message. Means he's asking, did you got any message? You got a message. Means she's telling past tense. Messages arrive at 2 o'clock, and the person see that message at 3 o'clock. He is informing to the A person. So when we are using have to, when it is something is necessary, when something is necessary. So I have to wash my car today. Means the question is I have to wash my car today. He is telling to the other person. So when we are using have, at that, okay, have to in a negative form. Earlier we have seen in the positive form. Now we will see in the negative form. We don't have to work tomorrow. Means the work is there, but what the person is telling that we do not means don't do not have to work tomorrow. He has a work, but he is telling I'm not going to work. Okay, that is in a negative form. She doesn't have to wear a uniform to the school. In a negative form, she doesn't have to wear a uniform. Like every day I'm telling you all students that you have to wear a uniform. Please wear a uniform properly. Maintain the decorum. But some students are not wearing uniform. So that is in a negative form. What I'm telling in a positive way, but what that student has not wearing a uniform. The sentence when it's coming to you, it's a negative form. That if I'm telling you, Ria, you didn't wear your uniform, does not wear your uniform, you have to wear the uniform. So means in a negative form I'm telling. So we have 4 or 5 types where we are using have in the following sentence. So first is, this is 1, this is 2. Okay. So first is, in the following sentence, have indicate the possession, means ownership. Possession means the ownership. My friend has a pet cat. Means he is having a pet. Okay, he is having an animal. I have a new pen. Do you have a cycle? Means ownership. In a ownership form, do you have? That I don't have a cycle. So he is asking a question form. Do you have a cycle? See, the question mark is there. Means question mark and as well as the ownership also. Both the things are coming in a one sentence. Okay. Now we will see in the second case. In some case, have is using indicate the relationship. See, have can use in the indicating the relationship, experience, or in a physical condition. In this condition, we can use the have, while we can indicate the eating way if someone is eating in a relationship form, in a physical form, in a event form, or we can use in the experience when we have some experience. I have that experience. I had. Okay, in an experience form that have can use in a so many ways. So now we will see that have in a indicating a relationship. I have a 2 sisters. The relationship, what the relationship is showing, that is 2 sisters. that I have a two sister. One is me, and another is my elder sister, and another is my younger sister, Ria and Tia. Younger sister is Ria, and elder sister is Tia. Okay, relationship form. Okay, so now we will see the another relationship, that is eating or drinking. We also use have in the referring in a eating form or the drinking form. I have a breakfast at 8 p.m. means in the past tense form. I have breakfast at 8 p.m. What he is telling, that he is telling to other person. He met the person B. A person met the person B at 10 o'clock. What is the person B is asking about the breakfast? You had your breakfast. So what he is telling? I have. We have means he is telling we have the family. We have my brother, my mother, my sister, my father. We have breakfast at 8 a.m. That it at 8 a.m. we all sit together near dining table. We all sit together to the dining table and we had a breakfast together. At what time? 8 p.m. Okay. Have a slice of cake. Means offering way. Okay. Eating and drinking way. Offering. What is offering? He is offering the cake. What is offering? Offering the slice of cake. A piece of cake. We have 1 cake, 1 kg or half kg cake. We cut it into a pieces, break into a 10 piece or 5 piece. And what we are telling, take one slice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. We make a 5 parts. And what we take a one slice. All of you take one slice. Okay. Next is have is also used to refer a medical or a physical condition. How? Medical, I have a headache. Someone is asking what happened to you. I have a headache because of migraine, because of lot of noise. I'm having headache because of noise is there. I'm getting headache. Noise is affecting me. Noise is affecting me, my ears as well as my head. I can bear this noise. I can bear this noise. He has a cold in a past tense, not in a present, but he is telling to the other person. B person is telling to C that A person has a cold. He has a cold. Okay. Grandfather had a heart attack. What happened is a past tense form. Grandfather had a heart attack. B person is telling to D person about whom? About grandfather. Yes. We also use have to refer a event, activity, and an experience. That I have a great experience means about experience or some activity we have done. We haven't done this activity. We should try. We haven't done. Okay. Referring a activity, event. I went to that event. I had lot of friends. I made a lot of friends. So experience. I am going to have a bath in the river. Experience. What experience is telling? That the group of people is going, taking a near to the river and they are taking bath in the river. I am going. Single person. Single person is telling, person A is telling to person B, I am going to have a bath in a river. All of staying are near the river. They build a tent. Okay, they construct a tent. And what the person A is telling to person B, I am going to have a bath in the river. Let us have a party for your birthday. Let us have means group of people A, B, C, D, and E. Group of people and people, sorry, D person is telling let us have means all 5 of us have a party for whose birthday party? C. Person C birthday party. The class has a short break at 11 a.m. Means class is there from all of you having a class from okay from 9:30 to 10:30 you have one class. From 10:45 to 11:45 you have another class. So you have 15 minutes break. है ना? In a present form you have 15 minutes break. Continuous present form. So present tense. Do you have a good time at the wedding? What do you have a good time at the wedding? Past tense. Okay, past tense form. Do you have a good time? Means the person is asking to the other person. Person C is asking person D that did you enjoy? Do you spend a good time on the wedding day? Did you? So asking a experience. What? The question is asking a experience. Do you have a good time at the wedding? What he is asking? Asking about the experience. What he experienced on the wedding day. So the use of have. Possession means ownership. For the action and experience, have lunch, have a great time, have a chat, have a drink, etc. Obligation. You have to keep quiet. Okay. You have to keep quiet means giving an order. Obligation. And fourth one is to take about the several you pay someone for doing. Have you have plus object plus past particular. I had my hair cut this morning. Okay. Again, position, informal way. How we are using informal way? I have got ton of work to do. I have tons of work to do. I have got tons of work to do. That lot of work to do. In a negative sentence, haven't I haven't a clue. Means you don't have any clue. Specific obligation means I have got to go now, but I will see you later. In a negative form, now I have to go. I have got to go now. Means I have to go now, but I will see you later. What is saying? I will. Double I. See. This is a short form of I will. This is a short form of I. How we are like writing I will in a full form. This is a full form of I will. In a short form, we are using I hash double L. Okay, I will. Eighth one is perfect tense. How we have present, past, perfect, future. So I did never try sushi before. Sushi is a dish. So what is telling? I did. I didn't try. I did not. Never try. So means he has never tried this. All of you understand